Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fortuna Nurul A'la. I want to presentation by title Early English Language Skills during the language period of early childhood. Approach of the study. This is approach. This study employs a quantitative approach. Research design. The research use a describe research and research design. That collection that were collected through participatory observation. Sampling technique. The study apply a saturated sampling technique involving 28 kindergarten children. Research parts. This study aimed to describe children's initial English and speaking vocabulary abilities during the language period. Collection that collection technique, observation method, participation of where the research collaboration with classroom teacher to observe the children. That collection period September 20 and 22 until March 20 and 23. Research participant 28 kindergarten children selected using a social sampling technique. Analyze that the research that were analyzed using descriptive statistics to describe the children analyze ability to listen to and pronounce English vocabulary. The observation that for each child were first scored based on the predetermined indicators. Subsequently, each child's scores were same, and the mean score and percentage were calculated. The results were then classified into developmental achievement categories. To calculate the percentage, we frequency of children in a specific category and total sample size 28 children. Diagram. Start to development 24% is color orange. Developing has affected 22%. The color gray. The color blue is underdeveloped 7%. Is gold growing very well is 7%. The findings of the study indicate that young children initial English language ability during the language period remain at the beginning to develop level. The result encompass two main aspects: listening ability. Children's initial ability to listen to English vocabulary was categorized as beginning to develop. This indicates that most children were able to recognize and understand some basic English vocabulary. However, they were not yet consistent in comprehending all the vocabulary introduction. Speaking ability. Children's initial ability to pronounce English vocabulary was also classified as beginning to develop. The children had begun to imitate and pronunciation basic English words, but their pronunciation accuracy and fluency still required continuous stimulation and regular practice. Overall, the findings suggest that young children's initial English language abilities during the linguistic period have begun to develop but have not yet reached an optimal level. Their findings provide a foundation for educators to design more effective instructional strategies to better ensure children with learning and pronunciation skills in English vocabulary during this critical stage of language development. Findings about the variable listening skill indicator listening to basic English vocabulary category is beginning to develop. And interpretation of finding children are able to understand some basic English vocabulary, but their comprehension is not yet consistent. The variable is speaking skill indicator is processing basic English vocabulary category is beginning to develop. Interpretation of finding children are able to imitate and pronunciation basic English vocabulary, however, their pronunciation still requires further improvement. Variable is overall finding indicator is initial English language ability category is beginning to develop. Interpretation of finding is more effective interpretation. Now strategies are needed to appraise children early English language ability. Say the discussion. Recently, many early childhood education institutes have interestingly English language learning during children's linguistic period. This study aimed to identify children's initial abilities in listening to and pronouncing English vocabulary during this critical stage of language development. The research employ a described quantitative approach. The study population consisted of kindergarten children. A totally sample technique was used involving all 28 children as research participants. The study was conducted from September 2020 to March 2023 in collaboration with classroom teachers that were collected child participatory observation. The findings were categorized into two aspects. First, the children's initial ability to listen to English vocabulary was classified as beginning to develop. Second, their initial ability to pronounce English vocabulary was also categorized as beginning to develop. This finding provides a baseline for determining appropriate instructional strategies to further aid children's early English language abilities during the language period. Conclusion: the findings of this study indicate that children's initial English vocabulary listening ability in categories Z as beginning to develop. Likewise, their initial ability to pronunciation English vocabulary is also categorized as beginning to develop. Furthermore, the result of the study can serve as a foundation for determining appropriate strategies to enhance young children's early English language abilities during the linguistic period, a critical stage of language development. Suggestion: based on the findings of the study, it's recommended that early childhood education teachers provide regular English language stimulation through activities that are appropriate for young children's developmental characteristics such as singing, storytelling, games, the use of visual media, and other interactive activities. English learning should be conducted in an enjoyable and repetitive manner to optimally develop children's listening skills and their ability to pronounce English vocabulary. For early childhood education, is this still the finding of this study may serve as a basis for designing well-planned and sustainable English language learning programs that are appropriate for children's stage of language development. In addition, schools are encouraged to provide engineering learning material and media as well as professional development opportunities for teachers to enhance their competence teaching English to young children. For parents, it's recommended that they support their children's English language development by exposing them to simple English vocabulary at home. This can be done by reading picture books, singing English songs, or using simple English expressions during daily activities. Cooperation between school and facilities is expected to strengthen children's language activities process. For future research, it's recommended to conduct study with larger sample size, employ experimental of longitudinal research design, and investigate the effectiveness of various English teacher methods and learning media in improve your children's listening skill and English vocabulary pronunciation. That's all for me. If I say wrong, I'm so sorry. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.